Hello guys, I hope that you are doing well. So in today's video, I will share about another English learning application which is Learna AI. I think you have heard about that application. It is really famous application. So you can simply find this application from Play Store by type here Learna. So you can find the first application speak and learn English. So you can just find it out easily on Play Store, and I have already installed this application. So I open this application. So when you will open this application, so the interference of this application will look like that. So let's go. Now we will click on continue. Now we are not going to pay anything for that because we will use the free version of Learner. We will cancel this. Hi there. So I'm Learna, your personalized AI tutor. I will help you to learn a new language, improve your language skills. So what's your name? So as usual, we will type a name. Okay, great to meet you, Dave. I would like to ask some question to get to know you better. So okay, what is your native language? So in my case, my native language is Urdu. Okay, which language would you like to learn? So in my case, I would like to learn English. Do you wanted to learn English with explanations in Urdu or in English? I would prefer to get the explanation in English, okay? Please select your interest. You can choose up to four options. So for me, traveling, shopping, food. Okay, let's see what we have the next. Tech, sport. Like, okay, it's only about four selections that we can do. Okay, and let's go. So what is your level of English for the time of your day or to start your practice every day? So I think that's fine for me. I can go with that. I will remind your training time every day. Allow notification, not miss your practice time. Okay, so you have to allow the notification. I will go with continue. Okay. So now it is personalizing our learning plan. Okay. Now it's done. Get my plan. Let's see a 7-day free trial, but we again go with the free version. So I will click on it. So continue with Google. So for sure we will do that. I will continue with one of my Google account. Now it will look like that. So first of all, we have to give the permission for our mic while using an application. So allow Learna AI to record the audios. Okay, I'll go with that. So now as you can see, hi there, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn about greetings, hello, hi, good morning, nice to meet you, and see you later. Are you ready to start? Okay, so let's start with that. And I'll just click on this mic button and then I will speak about that. Hello, Lerna, I'm fine. What about you?
I am happy to talk with you. Thank you for asking. Today, we will learn how to say hello to people. We use words like hello and hi when we meet someone. We say good morning in the morning. When we meet a new person, we say nice to meet you. When we leave, we can say goodbye or see you later. For example, hello, my name is Dave. Good morning. Nice to meet you. See you later. Do you want to ask anything before we try some practice?
No, I think it's okay for me. We can try.
Great. Let's start with a simple question. If you meet a friend in the morning, what can you say? A, goodbye. B, good morning. C, see you later.
I will say good morning.
Perfect. Yes, you say good morning. Now, if you meet someone for the first time, what do you say? A. Nice to meet you. B. See you later. C. Good morning.
I will say nice to meet you.
Yes, that's right. You say nice to meet you. Now, if you want to leave, what can you say? A. Hello. B. Goodbye. C. Good morning.
I will say goodbye.
Good job. Yes, you say goodbye when you leave. Now, let's try something a little different. I will start a greeting. You finish it. Hi, my name is Dave.
Nice to meet you.
Great, that is the right answer. Nice to meet you. Now, I will say, and see you later. What do you say back? Nice to meet you. If you see a friend in the afternoon, what can you say? You can use hello or hi. Try one.
I would say hi. So now it's asking about the paid version. So let's go back for the further things. So here I can see that it only gives you the 5 minutes to practice. Um, Overall, I think this is a good application, but it has just only limitation of 5 minutes, which is I don't really like in my personal use. So I think it would be more than that, but you can just daily practice only for 5 minutes free. So overall, I think it is a good application, but it has a limitation only for 5 minutes, which is not really good. I won't recommend. But if you want to just do the practice only for 5 minutes in the starting, so this application can be better for you. So I hope that you like this video and hope to see you next time. Take care.